Joel Meyer.
Maybe we need a
budget, or maybe just need to stop spending all of this money, 'cause we don't have a lot. The economy is crashing, we all need a job, but there is no money. We need to get involved. The government